guys, it's Bear505
and we're VlogtasticFun.
and today we're doing a slime challenge video. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we have this slime and we're going to use it. We're each going to get a chunk and we're going to try to make it better by using only 3 ingredients. And also liquid starch. This is not one of the 3 because it's really sticky.
Yeah, I have to roll up my sleeves.
So, and then there's going to be 2 more rounds of actually making slime. But first we're just going to start out with the easy round of just improving this one. So, okay guys, so the ingredients that we have that we can use is some conditioner, shaving cream. We have 2 different types because this one might be out. You have some lotion, baby oil, beads, glow-in-the-dark bead thingies. Yes, they glow in the dark. Oh, they're spilling. Okay. Rubber bands, like rainbow loom. First, we're gonna start by mixing in some liquid starch.
I'm sorry if it's nasty.
Some of these back over here. Oh,
because we are known to get our bodies of liquid starch. I'm really messy.
So yes, okay. Let's see.
Can I use this? This is not mixing well.
So hopefully this works out.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to get my hands in there.
I might have to.
Oh my gosh!
I think I had.
Oh my gosh! I did too.
Oh no, I must have too because I added like the same amount as you.
Oh my gosh!
This is gonna be so much better though. Like literally.
Yeah.
Now, what ingredients? We each get to pick an ingredient for our first thing, and then we'll mix it in, and then we'll each pick a next one, and we'll just keep going. So, if you want to pick the same thing, just wait until the person's done.
Okay. I want glitter.
Oh, I was gonna say that.
Well, you guys can both do glitter since there's like a lot of it. I'm gonna do.
What color glitter do I want?
I want this. Yeah, I'm gonna do lotion.
No,
If there's not a lot, you may not want to choose it. Like you can do more than one color. Though. It counts.
Great.
Yes.
Okay. I'm adding a
Try
ton of
and give me that some lotion.
I'm adding rainbow.
Rainbow. I'm just adding like.
That's
kind of a lot. But it's fine. It's not a lot at all.
I want
The glitter will not make brown.
So far for round 1, this is what my slime looks
Wait,
like.
I have to mix mine.
Yours looks good. Mine looks too purple.
Yes.
But
I have a little bit of glitter.
I'm going to try to restore it, hopefully.
Now,
this is
what Zion
I
looks
came
like.
up with a great
Zion,
idea.
show your slime.
This is what Zion's looks like.
Yup.
This is what mine looks like.
Very nice. That's glittery and nice. Okay, so next up is the second round. What are you guys going to pick?
I'm going to do this. No, I'm going to do this because I want to minimize the amount of purpleness.
That's a good idea. Also, I think
it's
too
so
liquid.
wet. Ew.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna add some of these. I hope this doesn't ruin.
That may be a lot, but okay.
It feels so
This doesn't ruin my slime.
I'm going for glitter.
Tiny chunk.
I hope this doesn't ruin this.
That doesn't really ruin it. So
I'm gonna go for some
Oh my gosh, it's so
lots of
fluffy.
glitter. Oh gosh, this doesn't open. Okay, our slimes look like this one's mine.
I want more bits.
Yours looks
That's
really nice.
hers.
This is mine. I don't know what I want to add it to it.
Yeah, so now the third round. This is going to be hard because nobody knows what they want to add.
Oh, this is horrible. The bits shoot out.
Yeah. That's why I don't like those.
That's what I was afraid of.
It's alright. Okay, so next round I'm doing baby oil. What are
I'm
you doing?
thinking about baby oil. I might add shaving cream.
I might add baby oil because I hate the smell of the shaving cream.
Can I
That's
smell
good
this?
idea.
Or these. Can I just add one to see how it feels?
That doesn't smell good, in my opinion.
Let me smell the baby oil.
Okay.
Let me smell.
So I need to mix this in before it gets
Yeah,
all
that
over the
stinks.
table.
It doesn't stink.
Oh, this feels nice now. It feels like
Is this the
Do I want
pipes?
beads in mine though?
No, that was the stinky shape.
I don't
Does
know.
this
They
one work?
pop out.
Is there anything left in this?
probably
Maybe
this does smell
I'll use
weird.
these.
They both smell like shaving cream.
Is this shampoo?
It's conditioner. It may make it a little liquidy.
This does
so
smell
I'm not
kind of
sure
bad.
how
Should I
that
add
will
lotion
work.
or
But
baby?
it smells like hotel, so we're gonna have to live in.
The lotion is just gonna make mine smell though.
I'm going with these beads.
Should I add lotion? Or what should I add? Shaving cream? I think I'm just gonna add some shaving. No.
Okay, guys, so
feel.
I'm just gonna add a little more of this.
I'm just
There's
gonna
my
add
dog.
some lotion.
There's my dog. This is my slime, guys. So it's very nice and glittery. It's awesome. It has pretty good clickiness, somewhat, and a really good stretchiness. So yeah, that's my slime. And now Diane.
Here's my slime. I really like the bits, except they come out, so you might not want to add bits.
Yeah.
Those bits, because they come out and they're really annoying. But there's my slime.
Here is my slime. I added the beads. I love the beads. It makes it look so much better. And the glitter, oh, and the extra liquid starch, or not liquid starch, shaving cream made it so much lighter. And it looks so much better. So there's my slime.
Okay, so now we're going to move on to round two.
Joining
For the next round. Okay? The next round, she's joining the game.
Wait, is it gonna
She's
be hard?
confused.
No,
Maybe.
it's not going to be hard.
Okay.
Awesome.
I suck.
Round two, we all have about this amount of glue. And we're just going to be first liquid starching it.
I'm done.
Also, we have a lot of glitter. You probably cannot see that at all, but we have like a huge bag of glitter for the next round, so that's going to be most exciting.
This is going to be so
great.
exciting. You saw how crazy we went with the first round.
Also, now Alyssa's joining, so yeah. So we're starting this up and getting it ready, and then we're going to add in our 3 things for each person. And this time around, we're going to be much shorter.
Is shaving cream.
My first ingredient is lotion.
And I am copying her, so.
Yeah, my first ingredient is also going to be lotion, so I think we're all doing lotion for our first ingredient. So do we have any more lotion? Okay, guys, round 3. Round 2.
Bands.
I'm adding, I think, these. I think these will look
Okay, please don't add a lot, because I do
Don't
need,
worry.
like, maybe if there's, like, a little left. Okay,
I won't.
I'm adding baby oil first.
Which
I'm adding conditioner.
I just want to use
Zion, can you pass the conditioner?
Where did you get all these bands? Because they look super
I'm
cool.
making
I
a
got those
winter
for Christmas
wonderland
from,
slime.
like, I think it was online. You can start round 3
Ew.
of your items.
How much baby oil should I add?
I want this shaving cream because I'm not a fan of the
Okay,
smell.
so I'm putting in
Oh
this.
my, that's a lot of cat hair. What'd I do? Put it on my shirt, didn't I?
Is that enough baby oil?
Oh yeah, I definitely put it on
And
my shirt.
now I'm going to be putting in this color.
Maybe I should do baby oil.
It's
No.
beautified.
I'm going big or going home.
I'm not a fan of that shaving cream smell, but we're just going for it. Why is that so funny?
Because it's very old shaving. Okay, people. So this is my slime, and please vote for it because it's really good. So okay, now Alyssa's slime.
Okay.
Are we leaving the names in there?
Yes. Oh, wait, there's a hair in mine.
To vote her slime, vote Harry's slime.
No, don't. Okay, so my slime is very soft. It's very, like, I think this actually might be butter slime. Wait, let me see.
No, it's
It's
it's not butter slime, but
Like,
Unless you add clay.
I made a good bubble. Bella
if you
popped
could
it.
feel this, guys, you would totally probably vote for it.
So it's a good. So for them, it's a good thing they can't feel it because then they would win. Or like they.
Okay.
And my never win slime challenges.
Are we filming?
Wait. Vote hashtag awesomeness.
Okay.
Here's mine. It's got bands and shouldn't really stay in. And yeah, that's my slime.
Here is my slime. It's so interesting. I'm going to say something like that. If you want to vote for this one to win, hashtag comment zebra stripes. Because the bands look like zebras, and I love it.
My hashtag is Bandland.
And
that's good.
mine is Winter Wonderland, I guess.
Okay, so
And a
comment
band.
about these, and also at the very end, we're going to show all 3 of our slimes together. So we're doing one more round. So we will be showing you guys those. So let's go to round 3. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It's glitter time. It is a lot of glitter.
I'm so ready.
So excited.
So we're gonna go make our
like a
base
lime
slime,
rock.
and then we're gonna go ahead to.
Blues. Okay, give me the glue.
We're gonna go. Okay. everyone, we're gonna go on to adding the glitter, but first we're just gonna make our slime off camera because it'll take too long. So let's come back when the slime's made. So the problem is we kind of missed a huge chunk, but right now we're not done yet, obviously, because there's so much not.
You have to do another glitter pocket so they can see.
Oh yes, we're doing. Okay, so I was doing glitter pockets, but you guys weren't on, and I'm very sorry about that. So we're making glitter pocket right now. Which one should I make?
Mine is kind of turning a bit gray.
Here, we're gonna make this into a glitter pocket. So.
Told you.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, so glitter pocket
Mine's
is gonna be
feeling sandy.
I know, mine does
that was
too.
gonna be a very large glitter pocket. And I'm not gonna add just one color.
What other color does it need?
So,
does it need blue? Yes,
suctioning it together to seal it.
More of this.
Am I
And then
visible?
we rip open the pocket and isn't that amazing, guys?
I missed it.
Oh, that's sad.
Way too much green.
Oh, this is gonna look so bad.
Never too much.
Actually, it's not. There's never too much. Oh.
No, this.
Woo!
Well, yeah, probably. I added too much.
No, I'm gonna fall. Oh, jeez, that was weird. It's like a trip over nothing.
Mine might
We
have
need
too
more
much.
lotion. This like literally is so hard.
I'm sticking to the same like.
Okay, guys. Add more glue.
Bonus
add
glitter
more
pocket
glitter.
right now. It's
Should
gonna
I
be
add more liquid starch?
a big,
Not
humongous,
starch.
amazingness glitter pocket.
Should I add some shaving
this
cream
entire thing,
to try to
guys.
make this a little whiter? Yeah, can I add some shaving?
That's all glitter. Oh my gosh, guys! I don't know that was a great idea. Just
Me
saying.
either.
Here.
No! Oh my! Just make another one. Do you want that, Alyssa? No.
See, I barely took any, and that's how much I got.
This is
Get my
amazing. Guys, my slime is turning into a glitter grapple, glitter grindy. What? Guys, that was actually the best idea of my life. Now it looks amazing.
Whoa, it actually does.
Glitter pockets are awesome! Comment down below hashtag glitter pockets are awesome to join my team of awesomeness.
Entirely
Please.
glitter.
Oh! Whoa.
I didn't use much orange, but I really want like some chunks of things,
green
like something
in here.
else.
Mine literally is starting to feel like the graininess of grainy.
We might not want to use any more of this. This is out of stock.
Oh, gosh.
You want one?
Okay, guys, see my next glitter package.
This is done.
My next glitter package is en route, and please don't steal it. This is amazing. This is...
What? Oh my gosh, that is awesome.
Guys, I'm literally hysterically laughing. Oh, no.
This one's about
No, it's mine.
No, one more shake for me.
I think there's there's only so much like sugar that'll dissolve in water. There's only so much glitter that slime can hold.
But I haven't reached the max yet.
Yours does look really good.
Okay, guys, bye. So what happened is our camera died. So here's my slimes. This is the purple galaxy first one. Then we have this one, the Bandland. So Galaxy, Bandland, and glitter pockets are awesome. So comment those if you want me to win. And now we're going for Alyssa. She only has 2.
Okay, so this is mine. It's like it's just like the awesomeness slime that's like awesome. And then this is my like silky smooth.
So silky smooth and awesomeness.
And then this is my Winter Wonderland. This will be Glitter World, and this is I don't know. This is pink slime.
Okay, pink slime.
And this is Zebra Stripes, Glitter Best, and we'll call this one Crunchy Galaxy.
Okay, so vote which ones you want, or you can just say like Eden, Zion, Bella, Alyssa. That's Alyssa, that's Zion, that's Eden, and this is me. Yes. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and go check out their channels and their channel, and subscribe.
Victory
And I'll put-
Bubble!
I'll put the link to their channel below. And thanks for watching. Bye.